Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a smooth slide transition in Premiere Pro. So let's go get started. So right here, I have my image right here, and this would be our sample. But don't worry, you can also do this in videos. You can even do it in text if you want to. So for example, this will be our sample right here, this arrow, this image of an arrow right here. So to do the slide transition, all we have to do now is just position our image in where we would want it to be positioned after the end of the transition. So maybe I want to end it maybe at this point right here, just for an example. I want to end it right there, so I'm gonna go for its position right here. I'm gonna go for the position. Now I have the keyframe, so I'm gonna go back in time right here, and I want my image to be at this starting point right here. So at first, I don't want my image to be seen at the screen right here, so I'm just gonna hide it there. And now when I play it back, I now have this transition right here. But as you can see, it's not really smooth. So one thing that I can do is that I'm gonna select all my keyframes right here in the effect controls, and I'm gonna right click, go into a temporal interpolation, and then you can just choose in which of these interpolations you would like. But I find them ease in and ease out the best looking right here, the smoothest looking right here. So in my case, I'll just go for ease out. And now when I play it, it will be much smoother right here. And you can even go and make this longer right here if you would want to. And now it would look like this. And now it's much longer right here, and with the ease out, it is much smoother right here. And as you can see, it is gradually increasing in speed. So you can just experiment with the interpolation, and that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.